Dudley Augustine.
Yes!
Tubui Dulawane. Bob Lem has Lagume se have a friend. Look at Bawan Serena friend again.
Ay, Sereme.
Okay, good.
Amani Flores. Bawan Serena did have a friend. Anaya. Okay. Naila Flores. You have the guy that Lana Lawansa is your friend.
Yeah, you mentioned her name somewhere.
Sereme.
Say seven.
Alright.
Abraham Laboriel. Should I give Abraham?
Yes.
Should I give So bien boba. I know how to guard Abraham. Lago, Lagumusho, Lagumese, for friend. Shoot it about. Yours is coming.
It's there. Yeah, it's there. Nissan is there.
No.
We printed it, yeah. Well, let's give her one.
You can take a picture, yeah.
Yeah, let's take a picture. Let's give her one. We have.
Carol is pulling.
Okay. There you go. Yeah. Nisian. Step up. Yeah. Nisian. I know how big I am. That's my last zero. Shoot to get it up.
Congratulations!
Again, let's give a great big hand for our
the drumming class.
Yeah. Drumming class. Mr. Samika Alvarez will present his class with a certificate of completion right now.
Okay. Well, everybody, thank you for your attendance. One more time. We are here in this endeavor, and we are going to take it to the next level.
Yes, sir.
Garino ceremony long soon dale. You be happy to be young. Afa go lagu. Wa friend de rumurusum la fa ngara on lagu. Wa friend de rumurusum lagu. Garifu na do. I'm honored to present this certificate to Abraham Lauria.
Yeah.
Let me elaborate a little bit more about Mr. Abraham Lauriel, who happens to be my cousin. We related from Honduras. His mother is my aunt.
Wow.
And Mr. Abraham Lauriel is the grandson of the first Garifuna singer that recorded Garifuna music.
No wonder he's a musician.
I mean his father, I'm sorry, his father.
His father.
No wonder
Yes.
he's a musician.
I'm talking about Juan Jose Lauriel. He was the first Garifuna that recorded song in Garifuna. And I happen to remember this little piece. Higabuya home, gubechawa, migira bontia tabina hatabugua. I'm Bolivia. I'm moved. Mr. Abraham Lauriel has a master's degree in music. He's a singer, writer, producer, and he had worked with Arguron, Johnny Mathis, have written and played with a lot of soundtracks for movies, and I mean the list is endless.
Jeffrey Osborne.
Okay, and he's a studio musician, and most of the time he's out on the road, Brazil, Africa, Europe, Asia, and of course the US.
Shows in Hollywood.
And he wasn't with us last Saturday because he was in Boston. I'm not sure what he was doing there, but he's a musician. So it's more than an honor to me to present this to Mr. Abraham Lauriel.
People pay a lot of money to see this Garifuna man perform. I've seen it myself. I like to take a picture of it. Let me share a picture with the brother here.
Get the picture.
Wow. Yeah. So many.
Okay? The pearls. Let's go. Sereme.
Grandpa Luis.
Future master drummer. Time for Harawa too. Did I get mine?
Sereme minha bom. Logo sumba pule banun goyam. Logo sumba pule logo goy. Bafa wa do bidder uni wo lu wasirum. Lu baru do ni home. Hi dia ga garina bu. Like we are pushing things in the room. Garina do lago sum la for no garama.
Sereme?
Picture moment.